from Subpar Planing. I just have a little video that I'm going to put up of a little like haul of some stuff that I got. I went to a couple different shops this weekend and found some stuff that was on sale, or just some stuff for like maybe some like ideas that I have. I mean, obviously we know that part of my shtick is that I do everything half-assed, so this will be an interesting thing. So anyways, what I did this weekend was I had some free time, so I went out and just kind of found some stuff that I thought I could try to use to make the sticker books that everyone's doing. And I really like the idea of the sticker book, although it terrifies me greatly to think about taking something out of my book because I don't know where I've gotten it, or what if I can't find it, or what if I hate it. So, you know, it's definitely something that I'm thinking about. We will see if I actually go through with it, because I always get these like really grand designs, these like huge ideas that, oh my God, it makes total sense. And then I end up just not doing it because it's either too much work, or maybe it's not such a great idea. I'm too lazy to do it, or, you know, whatever. So that's kind of my deal. So anyways, we'll just start off really quick. So I went to the, so in keeping in line with my sticker book idea, I have seen some people post some stuff about how they use like pre-cut stuff. Like somebody had posted on one of the Facebook pages about how they took the ARC planner system, which are those little mushroom shaped punch cuts that fit for like the Mambi books, Lavenger, and the ARC system from Staples. And they actually bought a pad that's like 150 pieces of paper, and it's all pre-punched, and they're like literally like almost the perfect length. And they just took the thing out, stuck their Mambi page on it, stuck their Mambi page on it, boom, done. So I mean, it really cut down the whole, cutting down the scrapbook paper and measuring things out and blah, blah, blah. So I thought that was a great idea. So when I went to the dollar store, I found these word strips. They use them for schools. So it's about, I mean, obviously it's a little too long, so I have to cut them down to like 9 inches, but these are perfect because they're a little more sturdier. They have some more substance than the ARC thingamajiggies, those ARC papers. I mean, obviously these are not like, you know, they're thin. I mean, and they're not like, you know, crazy pants, but I just thought this would be a great idea. Plus it's got a little decorated edge, so I'll just punch this, stick my sticker sheet on it, and then stick another sticker sheet on the other side. I just haven't gotten around to it yet because, truth be told, I'm a little afraid to do it. First of all, what if I hate it? And second of all, dude, it's just a lot of work. Like, who really wants to sit and do all that? Like, I mean, I don't know about you guys. I mean, I like crafting as much as the next gal, but to sit here and like punch holes in this and then glue pages on, sticker book pages onto it to put them into a binder, it's great in theory, and I probably will do it someday, but the idea of sitting here for hours and doing that just really does not appeal to me, because I would rather just have somebody do it for me. My dad always used to say, why do it yourself when you can pay someone to do it for you? So anyways, the other thing that I found at the Dollar Tree were these friggin' stickers, and I just thought they were hilarious. I mean, they're totally trying to step up their adulting game. So yeah, I thought this was great. This one is always, this is like my mantra. Like the fact that I actually showered today is a huge thing because I hate it. So, there's a little tidbit of information you don't know about me. So anyways, that was what I got from the dollar store. So this cost me $3. So hopefully I'll actually put this into practice. And if I do, don't worry, you'll be the first to find out. The other thing that I found, so the other place I went to Staples, and I just wanted to go pick up some stuff there just to see, because I was thinking about what am I going to do for all my binders? How am I going to put my stickers in? Where am I going to put them? Am I going to put them in cardboard? Am I going to cut cardstock? Or I'm just like, I'm not going to do that because I'm lazy. I don't want to do those things. It sounds great in theory, but I'm lazy. So these are the things that I found. I found these craft binders. They're 3-hole binders. They're 1 inch, so they're pretty substantial. They're a little tight. Oh God, it's a little tight. Needs some conduit in there for its joints. So anyways, what I figured I would do is I would use a regular standard 3-hole punch, because I think that's what this is lined up for. Just take this, 3-hole punch it and get it done, and then that'll be it. And obviously I'll cut this to the length of the binder, and I mean, it's really not It's big enough to hold the Mambi sticker books. Although, honestly, I actually haven't really verified that. I probably should verify that before I get all, like, mouthy. But I'm hoping that that's actually going to fit. But that's probably a good idea to check that out, because I haven't. So, in theory, if this is big enough, then I can put my Mambi stickers on here, put this, and then just have it, and then it'll fit in my little Michaels cart thing that I have. And I got 2 different styles. Oh god, I'm gonna burn something down with that candle. And then I got 2 different styles, and they had a couple of other ones. They have another geometric design, I think, in like some kind of a pineapple thing. So, anyways, we'll see if maybe I can get around to that at some point. And then the other thing I found was this little rose gold pad. It was actually this little bag. It was on sale. It was in the clearance section. I think it was like $3.50 or $3. And thing's huge. I mean, you can so anyways, I just thought this was a great little bag to just like carry around, or if I want to put my planner in there and like some stuff, I can put that in my purse, and at least it's a little more protected. And then this other thing I got were these Avery, hi. They were Avery plastic write-on dividers, and I'm going to put these in my binder, in my little 3-ring binder, and I can use it to like separate either months, dates, occupations, labels, whatever, to-dos. That's the whole thing. I think the thing for me that's the most intimidating thing about taking the stickers out of the Mambi book and then putting them into a binder, what scares me most is how am I going to organize it? Do I do it by color? Do I do it by, by sticker type? So to-dos and errands and all those things. Do I do it by book? So maybe I don't separate the books, but I just put 1 book in each binder, which doesn't make any sense, because then what's the point of going through all that work to put it into a binder? So yeah, I think that's probably my biggest hard stop, is that I just don't know how to organize them. Like, I have the idea. I think I'll be happy with it. I think it would make my life easier when I'm looking for stickers, because I think that's the worst thing about it, is like I have like 15 or 16 Mambi books, and I have no idea what's in them, aside from like looking at the cover. So I was hoping maybe I could do this, but again, that's my hard stop. That's the reason why I haven't actually gone through with it yet. So after I went to the dollar store and to Staples, I went over to Michaels just to see what they have. And the Michaels that I go to that's closest to me is kind of hit or miss sometimes. I feel like they're definitely getting the good stuff. It's just, it either takes a while, or it's that the place is so popular in the area that I'm at that it literally gets picked clean like that day. So I feel like I need to get in there and do a little covert action, and maybe strike up conversations with some of the employees there, get to know them, and then maybe kind of get a better handle of like when their truck deliveries are. But there was a couple of things that were on sale, and this was their, so I picked that up. So I got myself one of the little happy planners, the little mini happy planners. I've had a couple of these. I had one a long time ago, and I tried to make it work for me, and this was back when I first started planning, which was not really that long ago. I mean, I'm talking like a year and a half. And so what I did was I was like, oh, I'm going to put this in my recollections binder. So I'm going to take these things out. I'm going to cover this with washi. I'm going to punch it. I'm going to stick it back in. I'm going to put it in my binder. I'm going to love it. And I actually really did like it. But I think for me, the thing that used to irritate me was this vertical, the vertical layout of the mini planner. This used to kind of drive me bonkers. And I think the other thing that used to drive me crazy was that I couldn't have my months separated from my weeks. So I like having my months in one section in my everyday carry, and I like having the weeks in my other section. But I thought these things are on sale. It's a lot easier for me to do a plan with me if I decided to do that. I don't know if anybody actually wants to see that. I mean, my process is kind of, it's really not exactly like it's not like you're going to be learning any secrets or anything. I mean, obviously I just slap stuff down and call it good. But I just thought this would be nice to maybe do as like a daily journal for me, or gratitude journal or something like that. Just kind of something to help gently remind me, that I am a lucky person, that I I have a lot of things going for me. You know, I have a home, I have people and friends that love and care about me, I have a good job, you know, those things that sometimes you forget about, especially nowadays with, you know, everything that's happening, and there's just a lot of, there's a lot of things out there that can make you really sad. And so maybe hopefully for me, having this will remind me of just how blessed I am, and yeah, just to remind me of how blessed I am. And so I was hoping that I might get that started. Obviously, we're going into March, so I've already missed the first 2 months, but I think because of my everyday carry that I will actually be able to go back and fill in some of the information that would be missing here. So I can, you know, my everyday carry has little bit snippets of what's going on, but, you know, like with this, I could put pictures on during the days, and I could, you know, I could do more stuff with this. Whereas my pocket planner, which is my first love, and I will never veer from that, my pocket planner will allow me to, allows me the freedom that I want to be able to plan. But this will just kind of be a gentle reminder of the blessings that I have every day, and to not take every day for granted. So that's what I'm kind of hoping that this is for. So I'll probably start this in March. I think March would be a good day to start. So I'll probably plan in this a little bit this weekend and start decorating and getting it ready. So that was that. And I think this was 50% off when I picked it up. And then the other part that I got was I went to their $2, you know how like Michael's has like the $2 bin? It's like all the Craftsmith, the Craft Smart stuff. So I found these things, and I was actually kind of intrigued because I feel like they're kind of going along with like mini kits. So first of all, I found these little bird things and these little bird clips, and hi, adorbs. Like, how could you not want those? But this is what is interesting to me is Michael's actually had sheets of this design. They're almost set up like little Etsy sticker kits, and it's got words on one side, and it's actually got the stuff on here. So it's got like some tag boxes, it's got some to-dos, some little lists, some notes, little decorations. I mean, it's seriously almost, it reminds me of an Etsy sticker kit. And so I was kind of intrigued by it. And they actually had matching stickers. So these are clear stickers to go into your planner. And then it had some cute, super cute little planner clips, which, to be honest with you, while I like these clips, I'm not gonna lie, my main motivation for buying these is so that I can make my own planner clips with these, because this, to me, is gold. This thing. This is, you just pull this off, and now you have a nice little base to stick whatever you want on it. So, I mean, these are adorable. Don't get, you know, I love them. They're cute. I think they're great, but they need some zhuzhing. Like, they're just plain. They need like a ribbon or a bow, or they need some sort of something on it. And then the other thing that they had was they had this washi that actually matched everything. So basically, in a little nutshell, and I mean, I would probably honestly think that this cost more than an Etsy sticker kit, because I think these were like, you know, $1 a piece or $2 a piece or something. I don't know how much these were. But this could be like a weekly, this could be like your weekly plan right here, and then you just zhuzh it up with whatever you have from your stash, which is what I'm going to do. But I was just really intrigued with this. So, so yeah, and it actually looks like these little stickers will actually fit in this little, yeah, I mean, these stickers will basically fit right in the horizontal. I don't know if they'd fit in a vertical happy planner, but I was really just kind of like, Michael's is like super stepping up their game right now, and they've piqued my interest. On a side note, I love Etsy. I love going online and looking at everything. I just can't afford the sticker kits. And I think that they are fairly priced, because those people who are selling those kits are artists, and they need to be compensated for the amount of time and energy they put into those kits. So I don't think that their prices are too expensive. I think it's that, for me, I have so much shit like this that I can't justify spending money on beautiful, creatively drawn kits when I have to use all of the crap that I have already. Like, it just, I mean, if I didn't have all of that stuff to begin with, and if I had to start over, if I had the chance to start over again with planning, I kind of feel like I probably would have veered away from the store stuff and maybe just gone more towards Etsy sticker kits, because They're beautiful. They're well done. Those people are true artists. They're creative talent. They deserve to be supported. And I think anybody that buys the Etsy sticker kits, it's awesome because you're supporting an artist, and that's so important, especially now where, you know, creativity is one of the only ways that we can actually express ourselves and do it in a safe environment, or like in a safe place where, you know, you won't necessarily be judged because of whatever it is that you're putting out there. I don't even know why I even got started on that, so that's just kind of weird. Sorry about that. So anyways, back to planner things. So the other thing that I got was the Crayola Super Tips. These were on sale. This 50 pack of markers were like 50 pack of markers I think was like $7 or $7.50. I guess I haven't actually used these before, but I've seen a lot of people use them for like bullet journaling, so I thought it'd be kind of nice to give them a try. The thing that I saw about some of these is that I guess they don't actually have the color on them, which I guess really, I don't really think is a big deal. But what I thought was intriguing is that as long as I keep this in order, it will match up with this. So then if I want to write it down like with a Sharpie or something, I can. But I've seen people do like really cool watercolor effects with them, and I've seen videos on how to like YouTube on how to like blend them. So I am not an artistic person. Like I can't draw anything. I can just like highlight lines and that's it. Like I can't even really doodle. Like I've never been good at stuff like that. But I thought this would be fun to get. So that's what I got from Michaels, or as I like to call it, Mikhail's. And that's it. So this is basically what I got. It's not a lot, but it is a lot, and it was cheap. So I'm happy with that. Oh, and I got this really cool stapler too. Like I'm a sucker for anything iridescent. So I got it because it totally matches my scissors from Target. And now I feel like I have a matching set. So anyways, yeah, that was it. So hopefully I'll put the books together. I might do a little process video of me putting the books together. Obviously I'll have to speed it up because it's going to take me a long time, and there's probably going to be a lot of swearing and maybe some unnecessary drama. So that will probably be sped through, but at least I can do a video of myself doing it. I don't know. So anyways, yeah, that's it. Hope everything is great where you are. And have a safe day. Have a happy day. And I will talk to you soon. Deuces.